When you design a gym, one of the biggest challenges is something you don't see, but everyone hears: impact noise. Dropped weights don't stay in the gym. They travel through the structure and affect the surrounding spaces. Not every area has the same type of activities. A cardio zone, and specifically a treadmill zone with synchronized repetitive excitation, a strength area, or a free weight zone. They all generate different levels of impact, and they usually have different finishing expectations. So using the same floor everywhere isn't the ideal. Through this builder kit, I would like to introduce you how easy you can select the best Stravigym floor solution. Stravigym isolated floor solutions are completely free of adhesives, so it's modular, made for disassembly, and it can upgrade following your club's needs or layout changes. This builder kit is a physical way to understand how different floor solutions are built and their respective build-up height through the integrated ruler. Every system is made of layers. At the bottom, you have the resilient support that can consist of a rollout solution, elastomeric pads, or springs. And here we are going from lower to higher performance. Let's start then with the resilient support. Then we have a load distribution layer to spread the loads and dissipate the energy through the friction of the different layers. And at the top, we have the impact absorption layer to immediately dissipate energy from dropped weights, and on top of which the finishing floor, for aesthetic reasons, will be installed. The solution we just built is what we call Stravigym XP with Impact Layer 45 and the booster technology. This is the floor system we most commonly install in free weight areas, and which has a build-up height of 169 millimeters, 16 inches, before deflections and not counting with the finishing. Speaking of which, it usually consists of rubber tiles of 20 millimeters, 3/4 inches or thicker. This system can be upgraded by changing or the bearing type from elastomeric pads to springs, or even upgrade the impact absorption layer by forming a Stravigym Impact Layer 65. But most probably you don't need this level of performance everywhere, or even you don't expect to have the same finishing, a rubber finishing floor everywhere. Imagine you now have a strength or a treadmill zone. You can start by selecting the discrete bearing as resilient support, which are more efficient in low frequencies, the type of noise you have in your gym and which is the most difficult to treat. But maybe you can go thinner, changing from 50 millimeter 2-inch bearing to 30 millimeter 13 and 16 inches. In any case, these bearings should be connected by metal channels for enhanced stiffness and fast installation. After, as you don't have huge impacts, you can go slimmer in your sandwich. And here we have a Stravigym HP. Quite often, the type of finishing on these zones is vinyl due to its design flexibility. If that is the case, we can stop here, and we have an acoustical floor solution that fits the use without overspending, and also a solution with 78 millimeters, 1/16 inches of thickness. So the goal is not to choose the best-in-class solution, it's to choose the right solution for each zone. That's where many projects go wrong, either over-designing or underperforming. With Stravigym, you aren't locked into one floor solution, and this kit helps you to understand how it builds and where it could be applied, which solution can be applied. Stravigym solutions are modular, as we mentioned, which means they can evolve with your gym. Stravigym solutions have already covered 10 football pitches in the past 3 years. So feel free to check our case studies in our website under Knowledge Center. If you are planning a project, feel free to get in touch. We would be happy to help you and maybe even bring one of these so you can play with it as well.